Hey guys, and today I decided to make a plasma globe driver since my one broke. I never even got to show it on camera. So basically I'm just gonna utilize these parts I have that you're seeing on a piece of perf board. I'm literally running out of this stuff, like, I'm straight up running out of it, but anyways, let's just skip straight to the point and we'll go straight to the soldering. I'll show you the schematic at the end of the video. Alright, so what we're gonna start with is we're gonna start soldering the screw terminal for the input. Alright, now we're done with this part. I add the switch in. Now what we want is the capacitor. There. Alright, so we're gonna add a screw terminal and this is gonna be the output. Well, I need to get some wires, so hold up. This. Right, that's connected. I'm only hoping this works, but this is a first attempt. So we need a 10 nanofarad capacitor. So this is how the circuit looks so far. Another 510 ohm resistor. Alright, now we need another screw terminal for a transistor. Yeah, there we go. See, like, you try to fit it through the perf board and this is what happens. It doesn't budge. Alright, we have the capacitor, which is this one. Let me just check its resistance. I mean, no, wait, fuck. Capacitance before I do it, so one moment, please. Alright, so it apparently is good. This capacitor was salvaged from a microwave, I think. I only hope this works and doesn't short circuit like last time. And I think it's time. Yeah, I think it's time to test it out. Let me just switch it off. Alright, we're gonna get a power supply out and we're gonna test it out. Alright, we've just prepared the driver and now I'm going to use my power supply to drive it. I'm not putting a heatsink because I'm really not bothered right now. No, it's just a test. Here we go. First power up. If it draws current, that's not correct. Switch the wire correctly. Alright. It draws 400 milliamps. Not bad. I think it works. Yeah. I'm just going to show you some arcs if I can. Alright, that's perfect. That means it's working as intended. Alright guys, so here's the neon filled vacuum tube, which here's the model number in case you're wondering. So I'm going to basically attach it to like one of these pins, I guess, and then I guess we're done. Alright, so I was doing quite a bit of testing with the wire, and apparently, yeah, that's a very boring result I got. But you know what's missing? More power. 7 volts was like the best it performed at. Try again. Yep. Ooh, look at that. I better stop before my transistor overheats. Oh yeah, it's getting quite hot. I shouldn't have added a heatsink. Also, I shouldn't have connected this negative instead. Yeah, let me add a heatsink. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I put a heatsink on it. You know what? I think it needs a bit more power. 9 volts. Oh, nice. Oh, yep. Oh, we're getting some arcs. Take a look. We're actually able to get some arcs to my finger. That's actually really cool. Oh shit, that 5 volts side just like scared me for a second. Well, unfortunately, the capacitor can only handle 16 volts, so I think it's time to crank it up to 12, and I'm going to raise the current a bit more. Let's hope it doesn't. Oh my gosh. Wait, look at that. Jesus. That's something, alright. Transistor. Temperature's alright. Alright, so I've got another vacuum tube, and you can see the results. It's okay. Still not really impressive, but again, so much for a weak driver, right? Actually, I should show you this in the dark. Let the show begin! There we go, now we can see some actual arcs going to my finger. Now that's something. Look at Alright, here's the neon filled one. Let's watch. Look at that. I'm just gonna trying to pull an arc from it. Quite difficult sometimes. Oh, there we go, we established one right here. Look at that. That is really cool. Alright, so I just increased the voltage to 14, and now let's take a look. Oh, finally, we're drawing some arcs. Look at that. Still not impressive. Actually, wait. There's one thing we haven't done. My good old friends, the oscilloscope. Let's observe the waveform, shall we? Alright, so we're currently measuring the base of the transistor. What the hell is this? What is that? What is that all about? Okay, let me just tune it. Actually, I'm gonna fine tune it a bit more. Oh, damn it, I can't. What is this all about? Like, what? That's crazy. We're gonna try the collector. I almost forgot again. It just went off. Holy, what is this? Putting the voltage to literal maximum. Oh, never mind. Okay, that's quite interesting. Let's see what this is. What's going on here? I have absolutely no idea, but here's the waveform. Oh yeah, also, forgot to show you. You can make some arcs like this. Jesus Christ. Drawing about 1.7 amps doing that. It's constantly drawing 1.7 amps. You always have to discharge it after you use it no matter what. But the thing is, this output is a diode, so I think that's why the arcs are like that, because if you do it with these pins down here, which I'll show you. Watch. See that? Pulls very tiny arcs out of there. This output doesn't actually have a diode on it, so it reacts a little bit differently. Discharge. Ooh, that's scary. And here's the final product.